Good morning, children. Today we will study chapter 10 angles. We see angles almost everywhere in our day-to-day life. For example, the angles made by the hands of a clock, the angle made by two intersecting roads, angles made by blades of a fan, etc. Before starting the exercises, let us understand the terms related to angles. Ray. In geometry, a ray is a line with a single endpoint that extends infinitely in one direction. Here, AB and LM is a ray. The sun rays are an example of a ray. The sun is the starting point or the point of origin, and its rays of light extend indefinitely in our solar system. From a point, infinite number of rays can be drawn. Vertex. The point where the two rays meet is called an initial point or vertex of an angle. Here, B is the vertex and two rays BA and BC meet at B. Angles. An angle is formed when two lines intersect each other. Angle is measured in degrees with the help of an instrument known as protractor. An angle can measure from 0 degree to 360 degree. Types of angles. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree is called an acute angle. Some examples of acute angle in our daily life: the arms of a wall clock make acute angle at several hours of a day. Each slice of pizza make acute angle, angle between two fingers, etc. Right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is called a right angle. Some examples of right angle in our daily life: laptop screen, TV screen, corners of a room, etc. Obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Some examples of obtuse angle in our daily life: hangers found in cupboard, a book kept open for reading, etc. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is called a straight angle. Some examples of straight angle in our daily life: a inclined plane of a staircase, straight stick, angle formed in a seesaw, etc. Reflex angle. An angle greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called a reflex angle. Some examples of reflex angle in our daily life: the bending of our back, etc. Zero angle. An angle whose measure is 0 degree is a zero angle. Some examples of zero angle in our daily life: the surface of earth is base to everything and everyone, so it is considered as a reference line for zero angle. Now we will start exercise 10.1. Question 1. How many degrees are there in A. Right angle 90 degree, B. Straight angle 180 degree, C. Acute angle greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, D. Obtuse angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Question 2. What kind of special angle will it be if it has A. 32 degree. It is less than 90 degree, so it is an acute angle. B. 95 degree, it is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, so it is obtuse. C. 90 degree, right angle. D. 110 degree, it is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, so it is obtuse. E. 180 degree, straight angle. F. 210 degree, it is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, so it is reflex angle. G. 290 degree, it is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, so it is reflex angle. H. 300 degree, it is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, so it is reflex angle. Question 3. Through how many degrees does the minute hand of a clock turn in? A. 15 minutes. We know in 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. So, 15 minutes is equal to 15 into 6 degree is equal to 90 degree. Similarly, 35 minutes is equal to 35 into 6 degree is equal to 210 degree. Question 4. Through how many degrees does the hour hand turn in 2 hours? In 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. So, 1 hour is equal to 360 degree divided by 12, which is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, 2 degrees is equal to 2 into 30 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. Now, we will study some special pairs of angles. Vertically opposite angles. Vertical refers to the vertex where they cross. When two lines intersect, the angles formed opposite to each other at the point of intersection vertex are called vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. In the figure, X and Y are two intersecting lines. Angle A and angle C make one pair of vertically opposite angles, and angle B and angle D make another pair of vertically opposite angles. Some examples of vertically opposite angles in our daily life is shown in the figure. Supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then the angles are called supplementary angles. In the figure, if angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to angle AOB is equal to 180 degree, then angle AOC and angle COB are supplementary angles. One angle is called a supplement of the other. Some examples of supplementary angles in our daily life: tennis court lines, etc. Complementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the two angles are called complementary angles. Angle COA plus angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Some examples of complementary angles are shown in the figure. Adjacent angles. The angles that have a common arm and a common vertex are called adjacent angles. In the figure, angle BOA and angle AOC are adjacent angles. Their common arm is OA and common vertex is O. Some example of adjacent angles is shown in the figure. Linear pair. Linear pair of angles are formed when two lines intersect each other at a single point. The sum of angles of a linear pair is always equal to 180 degree. Some examples of linear pair you can see in the figure. Now we will start exercise 10.3. Question 1 A. Study the adjoining figure and name all the pairs of vertically opposite angles that you find. In vertically opposite angles, two lines intersect each other. At point A, 9, 12 is one pair of vertically opposite angle and 10, 11 is the another pair of vertically opposite angles. At point B, 5, 7 is one pair of vertically opposite angle and 6, 8 is the another pair of vertically opposite angles. At point C, 1, 3 is one pair of vertically opposite angles and 2, 4 is the another pair of vertically opposite angles. B. Name the linear pairs at C. 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 3, 4 are the linear pairs at point C. C. Name all the pairs of supplementary angles at A. 9, 11, 11, 12, 12, 10 and 10, 9 are the pairs of supplementary angles at point A. D. What is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is linear pair which is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 4 is also a linear pair which is equal to 180 degree. When we sum of 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degree. E. Name all the adjacent pairs at B. 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8 and 8, 5 are the adjacent pairs at point B. Question 2. In the figure below, A. Name a pair of vertically opposite angles at A. Angle LAB and angle DAC are a pair of vertically opposite angles at point A. B. Name a pair of adjacent angles at B. Angle ABF and angle ABE. C. Name a linear pair at A. Angle CAD and angle LAD. D. Name a pair of supplementary angles at point B. Angle ABE and angle ABF are a pair of supplementary angles at point B. E. How many supplementary angles of angle ABE are there? 2. KBE and ABF. Question 3. Fill up the blanks either with the words obtuse or acute. A. The supplement of an acute angle is obtuse. B. The complement of an acute angle is acute. C. The complement of an angle is always acute. D. If one of the angles of a linear pair is obtuse, the other is acute. Question 4. A. Can both the angles of a linear pair be obtuse? No. B. Can both the angles of a supplementary pair be obtuse? No. C. Can both the angles of an adjacent pair be obtuse? Yes. D. Can both the angles of an adjacent pair be acute? Yes. Question 5. Write down the complements of. We will subtract the given value from 90 degree. A. 90 degree minus 10 degree is equal to 80 degree. B. 90 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 0 degree. C. 90 degree minus 0 degree is equal to 90 degree. D. 90 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 45 degree. Question 6. Write down the supplements of. We will subtract the given value from 180 degree. A. 180 degree minus 0 degree is equal to 180 degree. B. 180 degree minus 10 degree is equal to 170 degree. C. 180 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 150 degree. D. 180 degree minus 100 degree is equal to 80 degree. E. 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. F. 180 degree minus 180 degree is equal to 0 degree. Thank you and have a nice day.